Welcome! Today, we're exploring the vast and mysterious universe with 5 unbelievable facts about space. Let's dive in. Fact 1. Did you know that a day on Mars is only about 40 minutes longer than a day on Earth? It's called a sol and lasts approximately 24 hours and 39 minutes. Fact 2. The Milky Way galaxy is on a collision course with the Andromeda Galaxy. But don't worry, this galactic event won't happen for another 4.5 billion years. Fact 3. The Hubble Space Telescope has captured images of galaxies that are over 13 billion light-years away, giving us a glimpse into the early universe. Fact 4. A neutron star is so dense that a sugar cube-sized amount of its material would weigh about 1 billion tons on Earth. Fact 5. The International Space Station travels at a speed of about 28,000 kilometers per hour and orbits Earth approximately every 90 minutes. And there you have it, 5 unbelievable facts about space. Which one blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed exploring the universe with us, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing trivia. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.